doubt it, but now I believe it. Monday, everybody's in love, and the city was hit from above. And just when I knew what I wanted to say, violent wind blew the wires away. Real sharp in the suburbs. Now the kids are all standing with their arms folded tight. Kids are all standing with their arms folded tight. Well, some things are pure and some things are right, but the kids are still standing with their arms folded tight. I said some things are pure, some things are right, but the kids are still standing with their arms folded tight. So young, so much pain for someone so young. Well, I know it's heavy, I know it ain't